how to change the battery in a key fob for a Mitsubishi Outlander. So you will need one simple tool, a flathead screwdriver, and this is how you do it. Now do watch to the end of the video because I'll also give you a free gift if this is useful for you. Now at the top of the key fob you'll see there's a slot here, and you want a screwdriver that is very close to this size. You don't want a very small screwdriver because you're likely to just rip the plastic apart, but this one is just the right size. We put that in there, we hold the key fob tight and make sure we don't end up with the screwdriver in our hand. We just twist until it clips, and then we can unclip the back from the front, and there we've got the battery inside. It's a CR2032. So again, you can just use your screwdriver to put in there, that side there, just lift the battery out and then put your new battery in, again making sure you get it the right way up, and then very simple just to clip it back together. Just put the back on, line it up, give it a press, and there we go. We've got our key fob sorted. Like I said, there's a free gift for you. If you found that useful and interesting, give me a thumbs up, but do check out the details at the end for your free gift as well. Thanks for watching.